Hi guys, this is Cheryl and welcome to our channel. Today we have a Strawberry Shortcake, GIANT Playdoh Surprise Egg, and backpack. But you know what it's time for now? It's time to get into this strawberry. Let's do it! Here we go. Take off the stem. There we go. All the red polka dots. And of course our strawberry. And now all this green Play-Doh. Ooh. Looks like we got some cool surprises in there. Now let's jump right in here and see what we have. Aha! The Playmobil. And this series 8, we have gotten some really cool figures. Today, I'm gonna guess, I want the clown. That'd be kind of fun. I see a head. That's all. Come on. Oh, guess what? We just got a duplicate. I know who this is. Let me put her together and I'll show you. So here she is put together. Now, I'm not sure if this is a knight, a Viking, or a gladiator, something like that. Anyway, she has this cool helmet on. She has her hair in a ponytail. She has a sword, a shield, and a knife. Interesting figure. And look at her face. She even has some cool decorations on her face. See that? Alright, if you guys know exactly what this is, let me know, because I'm not sure. But she is really cool. Next, I want to go for this. These are new. And they're called Puppy in My Pocket. Collectible Figures Series 1. And this is the first time we've opened these on our channel. So maybe we'll get a cute little puppy. Oh, we did get a cute little puppy. Oh, and it's fuzzy, guys. What a sweet little puppy. Okay, let's see who this is. Look at how many they have. I think this is Maggie. And Maggie is a Maltese. Wow, look at all these puppies. Now, I have a question for you guys. Do you have a puppy? Or a dog? If you do, what kind of dog is it? I have a dog. I have a golden retriever. And I hope I can find one of those on here. That would be really cool. Well, I'm excited about these. You guys let me know if you like them, and we will definitely open some more. Very, very cute. I like Maggie. Next, I think I'm gonna reach down in here and go for Shopkins Season 2. See if we can get something new today. I think this is Brie Freshener, maybe? I'm not positive, but that's a new color for us. We don't have that one. Oh my goodness. I think this might be Betty Boot. I'm not sure though. Okay, I gotta look both of these up. Well, this is Brie Freshener, and she is a common. But we don't have her, so it's a new Season 2 Shopkins. And this is Betty Boot, and she is a rare. And we don't have this one either. So guys, even though we have opened so many Season 2 Shopkins, we just got 2 new ones. Yay! I see one more blind bag. Go for this one. Sheriff Callie. Let's open this. No tear strip. Oh yeah, there is. I see it right here. See who we get today. Oh, look, it's Deputy Peck. That is such a cute little one. He's a red penguin. But he is a duplicate for us, but he's a very cute one. Next, I want to go for this. We have not opened one of these in a long while. Littlest Pet Shop Fashions. But they have quite a few cute ones. Let's see who we get. Oh, look who it is. Do you know who this is? My name is Zoe Trent. Now I like her hair because look, you can go like that and she's still very squishy. Squishy, squishy. I like these fashions because they still do a lot of the squishy, squishy stuff. I don't know if Zoe likes her hair pulled, but these are cool. I like fashions and I like Zoe Trent. Next, let's spin on around here and Bloks Barbie. Aww. And look at this little lady. She looks like she has a baker's hat on and apron. So let's get her out of here and get a closer look. Here's our cute little Barbie. She has her apron on and her little baker's hat. Now, I don't know if you guys know this or not, but the original Strawberry Shortcake had a hat just like this. So this little Barbie reminds me of her. Next, Doc McStuffins. A chocolate egg. Aww. Let's see who we get today. Maybe we could get Stuffy today. Are you kidding me? Guys, we have opened 3 in a row and we have gotten Nurse Callie. Look. She has her hands on her hip and her little glasses and her hat. Well, this is the 3rd one, so I need to put my hands on my hips like that. What? We need to get all your other friends. But she's still cute. She's a cute purple hippo. Next, let's go for this pink polka dotted egg. Sophia. Sophia the first egg. Ooh, this chocolate's a little soft. Okay, I'm making a mess. Who are we gonna get today? Oh, look, it's Sophia. And this is the one she has her blue, I think this is her gown, if I remember correctly. I think you guys helped me out last time on that. Look. So she has one with a purple dress, and this one is her blue gown. Isn't she pretty? I really like Sophia. Last thing in our egg, our golden egg. Oh, it's a Minnie Mouse. A Minnie Mouse chocolate egg. Okay. I recognize that bow. And look who it is. It's Minnie Mouse, and she's sitting in a pink chair. Very cute. And this is perfect for today because she has a pink polka dotted dress and bow. We got a lot of cute stuff in our egg. Now it's time to get to this backpack. Let's do it. Oh, a close look at Strawberry Shortcake. Look at her. She looks so happy. And she really does have a cute little hat on here. It's just not white. It looks like a strawberry. Okay, let's see what is in here. First, we're gonna reach right in. And what do we get? Aha! It's Queenie Redheart. Oh, she was sewn on September the 28th, made from a deck of cards. She loves inviting her friends over for a royal game of croquet. but she also likes to play solitaire. Her Highness is usually a sweetheart, but sometimes she loses her temper as well as her head. Oh, we're gonna have to check that out. I wonder if she really does lose her head. Let's get her out of here and get a closer look. Here's Queenie. She has pretty pink hair and a red dress with white hearts. And look at her gold crown. Now, I did look to see if her head came off, and maybe it will pop off, but I was too scared that I'd break it. So, it looks just like all the other Lalaloopsies, so let's just keep her head right there. We don't want her to lose her temper. She does come with this. It's a little heart tree, it looks like, in a little pot. And a pink flamingo. Very, very cute, Queenie. What's next? Oh, I knocked Queenie over. Here we go. Ooh, it's Dora the Explorer with two of her friends, her monkey and her puppy. Let's get them out of here so we can get a closer look. Here they are. Miss Dora first. Look how cute this little figure is. She looks like she's waving. Hi. Next, her little monkey Boots. He is really cute. He looks like he's getting ready to clap. Now, we did Boots as a GIANT Playdoh Surprise Egg, so if you haven't seen that, you should go check it out. And last, her puppy. And I don't know this little one's name. It's a really cute little brown puppy. And I'll bet it would make good friends with Maggie over there. Alright, you guys have to let me know in the comments, what is this little puppy's name? Back to our backpack. Reach in deep. Oh, what is it? What is it? Aha! A frozen mystery mini. Well, who do I want today? I still want this little guy right here. Well, he's not a little guy, he's actually a big guy. Marshmallow, but I want the nice marshmallow. If not, maybe the little tiny Anna right there would be kind of cool. Let's see. Pabby would be cool too. We haven't gotten that Pabby. I can't tell. Who could it be? Oh, it's Anna. Now, I think we have this one. Is there only one Anna? Yes, we have this Anna. But she is very, very beautiful. They make these so well. Look at all the detail, guys. Her pretty blue eyes and her dress with all the detail on the front. These are very nice figures. But we still have some more to collect. Reach in. What's next? Ah, it's a Zelf. Yay! We haven't had one of these in a while. Look at this cute little pink one. This looks like it's Talene, a giraffe Zelf. It says, understanding friends. Sweet! Oh, it says her bio says, head and shoulders above the rest when it comes to being an understanding friend. Talene is a real heart thinker who's always sticking her neck out for her buds. Understanding and unselfish. It's just the way she is. Very cool. And her birthday is the World Giraffe Day, June the 21st. Well, let's get her out of here and get a closer look. Here's Talene. Out of the package, look. She has pretty pink and white hair with a little giraffe print. And she also looks like a giraffe. See her ears, and then she has print here and on her legs and her body. Best of all, look at this tail. It's a little giraffe tail. Now she does come with two accessories, a comb so you can comb her hair. And then she also comes with this. There's a little tiny baby giraffe on it, see that? And then a Z at the top. Now this is supposed to go on her hair. I'm going to try to show you. You spin this around like this, and then you put this right here on her, and you spiral it down. I'm going to see if I can do it. It says put it here and then spin it around. 1, 2, oh, it's working, yay! 3. And now she has a cute, if I can get it all the way around. Oh, I don't know if I did that right or not, but it's on there. There we go. So she has a little hair design. It's like having a ponytail on a Zelf. What do you think? I don't know. I like the Zelf's hair, all loose and free. But that's cute for something different. I really like our Zelfs. Oh, now it weighs too much. She can't stand up. Okay, yay, it fell out. Okay, only a couple things left. One really big thing. Let's get this out of the bottom. Oh, look, guys. It's Pinkie Pie. It's a Funko Pop. We definitely need to get her out of here and get a closer look. Here's Pinkie Pie out of the box. What a sweet pony. Look at the curly mane and tail, and there's her cutie mark, her little balloons. Now, is Pinkie Pie your favorite pony? If not, let me know in the comments who is. But I really like this Pinkie Pie. One last thing in the bottom of our backpack. Aha! It's a Shopkins eraser. And that is Strawberry Kiss. Let's get this out of here. Now, I did Strawberry Kiss as a GIANT Playdoh Surprise Egg a long time ago. I think she is so cute. And this is an eraser. Now, I don't know if I'd want to use this or not because she is just too sweet. And I bet she would really like to be friends with Strawberry Shortcake. Thanks so much for checking out our channel. And if you enjoyed watching me open the Strawberry Shortcake GIANT Playdoh Surprise Egg and backpack, make sure you click that like button and let me know in the comments what was your favorite thing that I opened today. For me, the puppy in my pocket Maggie and our new Zelf. Come back and see us again soon and subscribe to our channel for more GIANT Playdoh Surprise Egg fun. And as always, thanks for watching.